Every day, across the globe, our brave men and women in uniform stand ready to face dangers we can scarcely imagine. They leave behind their families, their homes, and the comforts of life, answering a call higher than themselves. They step into the unknown, on battlefields far from home, where they risk everything to defend the freedoms that make our nation great. Their courage in the face of adversity is unmatched. They endure hardship, danger, and sacrifice, not for recognition or reward, but for one reason: to ensure that we, the people of this nation, can live our lives in peace, with liberty and justice for all. On this Veterans Day, we stand in gratitude, remembering the sacrifices of those who have served and those who continue to serve. These men and women have given everything so that we can have everything. The right to live free, to speak our minds, to pursue our dreams. Their selflessness is the backbone of our freedom. Today and every day, we honor them, our veterans, whose sacrifices make this nation the land of the free and the home of the brave. Thank you. Your courage has given us the lives we live today.